Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Nessus latest version on Kali Linux 2025.1a. Okay, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, first verify whether Nessus comes as the pre-installed application or not in Kali Linux. See here we don't have Nessus application. Okay, so first open in your browser, then go to Google or any search engine. Then search for Nessus download. Then click on this Tenable Nessus Essential Vulnerability Scanner. Then see here Tenable Nessus Essentials, and it is a free product from the Tenable that provide high speed in-depth vulnerability scanning for up to 16 IP addresses per scanner. Okay. So first we have to register to get the activation code. Okay, so provide first name, last name and your email ID. Then click on get started, and if you want to receive the product updates, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on, it is up to you, then click on get started. See, thank you for registering for Nessus Essentials. Check your email for activation code. Okay, which is required later downloading the plugins. Okay, then check your email. Okay, now click on download Nessus. See here, now click on download. Then see here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 10.8.4 and select the platform. See here, we don't have the Kali Linux. Okay, so select Ubuntu. So select Linux Ubuntu for i386 Arctic or AMD 64. Okay, so select based on your CPU. So select it and see here the release date of this version, that is Nessus 10.8.4 released on this date. Okay, so click on download, select I agree. See, download started. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, its size is 68.6 megabytes. Now go to the terminal again, cd downloads ls. See here we have the Nessus 10.8.4 AMD Debian package. Control A. Now install this one. Sudo dpkg -i. Then give Nessus, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. You have successfully installed, and see here this is the URL. Okay, now verify the status of the Nessus, and see here service name of the Nessus is Nessus d.service. Verify status sudo systemctl status Nessus d. Hit enter. See, it is not started. Okay, and also try to connect. So copy this one. Go to new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, unable to connect. Okay, so why? Because we have to start it. So start it by running the command sudo systemctl start Nessus d. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have started Nessus d, but it is not enabled. So enable it. Just replace the status with enable. Hit enter. Now verify. See, we have started and enabled. Q to quit. Control it. Now reload this page. Or click on try again. Now click on advanced. Scroll down. Then click on accept the risk and continue. See, now it is initializing. Now see here, welcome to Nessus. You can click settings to configure Nessus proxy, plugin feed, encryption password settings before you start the installation, or you can select register offline. Okay, so I don't want to register offline, so don't select it and click on continue. Now select the start a trial of Nessus Expert, then click on continue. Here no need to provide email, skip. See, if you have already activation code, skip the step to enter manually, so click on skip. Now we have to provide the activation code that we have registered, and when we have registered, okay, so go to email. See here we have the activation code, copy it. This may not same for you, then paste it, then click on continue. License information, see, this is just confirmation, verify one more time and click on continue. Now we have to create a user account, so provide username and set the password for this account, then click on submit. Not now. See, setup complete. See, now it is downloading plugins. This will take time, wait until this download plugins completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Also go to the terminal, ls, this file is not required anymore, remove it, rm, give Nessus, give the tab, hit enter, ls, we have cleared the space, control it. Okay, wait until this download plugins completes. See, plugins installation completed. See here the options. In folders we have the my scans, all scans, trash, and in resources we have the policies, plugin rules and TerraScan. Click on settings. See here the information, last updated plugin set, and see the license expiration date, and this is the policy template version, and this is the activation code, and this is the version, and licensed host 0 of 16 used. We have the options like advanced, and see here we have the license utilized 0, software update, and if you want to automatic updates like update all components or update plugins are disabled. Okay, and update frequency, see here we have the daily, weekly or monthly. Then you have to click on save. Plugin, detail local, events, see here we have these events, and like advanced, see here we have different options. You can go through each option. Proxy server, I haven't configured anything. If you want, you can provide, you can set. Okay, SMT server, password management, scan health, notifications. Okay, I'm not going to configure anything. Now click on this account, my account. If you want to update account details like providing email address and change the password, you have to provide the current password and new password. Then you have to click on save. API keys, if you want to generate, click on generate. Okay, if you want to go back to home, click on here, enable Nessus Essentials. So in this video we have successfully installed. So we have successfully connected to Nessus. Now go to terminal. Now we will see what will happen if you stop the Nessus. Sudo systemctl stop Nessus D. Hit enter. See, it is typo. We have successfully stopped. Let us verify the status. Sudo, see in the background, establishing connection, which means we have disconnected. Also verify sudo systemctl status Nessus D. See, it is stopped. Q to quit. Control A. Now start it. Even if you reload, this won't work. Okay. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start Nessus D. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, now it is initializing. Wait a moment, we will be able to connect. Now we have to provide the username that we have created and provide the password of this user. You can log in. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Nessus Scanner 10.8.4 on Kali Linux 2025.1a. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.